Bentley Motors today certified for delivery its first car from a new, dedicated excellence center for vehicle finish at the company's celebrated factory in Crewe, England. Board member for manufacturing, Peter Bosch, drove the first car, a Bentayga V8, off the line, as part of a celebratory ceremony for colleagues on site. Following its meticulous production process, which combines traditional craft and state-of-the-art technology, every Bentley will now be finished in the new facility by a team of hand-picked craftspeople. Only upon meeting their exacting standards can it be signed off for delivery to Bentley's customers around the world.